Our contribution to the maintenance and promotion of human health, that is what motivates us at ORYZA Oil and Fat Chemical. Our key words are nature and health as we pursue the hidden powers of natural plants that exist in the world and use their active ingredients to produce material products for incorporating into various products. ORYZA Oil and Fat Chemical is one of only 5 rice oil manufacturers in Japan. The core technology of active ingredient extraction has its roots in the 1930s. Our raw material is rice bran, a familiar product in Japan, and since our establishment as a rice oil production factory, we have mastered the extraction and separation of the active ingredients of nutrient-rich rice. Rice oil, the symbol and representative product of ORYZA Oil and Fat Chemical, is the only domestic vegetable oil derived from rice bran and germ produced when polishing brown rice. With outstanding oxidation stability, rice oil is constituted by palmitic acid, stearic acid, oleic acid, and linoleic acid, and contains gamma-oryzanol, tocopherol, tocotrienol, sterol, ferulic acid, squalane, ceramide, and an abundance of other physiologically active components. While apprehension towards GMO, genetically modified organisms, has grown in recent years, the evaluation of non-GMO rice oil is on the rise day by day. To respond to these increasing needs, we have extended our corporate activities to the world, and as part of the shift, we procure products domestically as well as globally for semi-processed products necessary for rice oil production. Additionally, for speedy and cost-effective manufacturing and sales of ORYZA's high-quality rice oil, we have established on-site material sourcing and production systems. Our production bases include factories in Thailand and other ASEAN countries, and we are looking to expand to China, Vietnam, Cambodia, and even the Middle East and Europe. Rice oil is the new edible oil necessary for human health on a global scale. ORYZA Oil and Fat Chemical boasts the top-class share of rice oil in Japan, as well as plant-derived functional materials used for pharmaceuticals, health foods, cosmetics, and more. With the start of production of gamma-oryzanol in 1980, we entered the functional and nutraceutical material industry. Then, in 1995, under joint research with the Ministry of Agriculture, Forestry and Fisheries Chugoku National Agricultural Experiment Station at the time, we successfully extracted a high concentration of GABA from rice germ. This was a breakthrough in the industry which gathered worldwide attention, and it triggered ORYZA Oil and Fat Chemical's active work in functional ingredients. In this way, ORYZA Oil and Fat Chemical expanded its scope of research and development from rice to other natural plants and progressed in the field of functional ingredients. This led, for example, to discovering polyphenols having strong antioxidant effects from perilla seeds, ceramide moisturing and skin lightening effects from rice bran traditionally used for beauty in Japan. Not to mention polyphenols having anti-aging and anti-glycation effects from cherry blossoms. ORYZA oil and fat chemical offers over 50 functional ingredients, and the raw materials for these functional ingredients are gathered from around the world. To develop and commercialize these functional products, we also collaborate for joint development with research institutions all over the world, including Japan. To meet the changing health needs of the generation, we aim for the most advanced research and development. We screen the world's natural resources and make assessments based on our evaluation system for bioavailability, and scientifically pursue and verify health and beauty functions. Such research and development has led to the acquisition of many patents, which indicate the brand identity and uniqueness of ORYZA oil and fat chemical. We are responsive to variable production of many products. We have a production system that supplies a variety of equipment to respond to customer needs 24 hours a day. The production line has a large, medium, and small extraction, reaction, and distillation tank and column tower. In a sanitary environment, we can perform grinding, mixing, fermentation, emulsification, and more, and trituration and emulsification of liquids with the spray drying equipment. We can also suggest plans for selection and formulation of raw materials tailored to the customer's sales channels and needs. We can arrange discussions based on the plan for prototype manufacturing and small quantity production. We can also provide a total coordination plan for reducing manufacturing costs. Contract manufacturing services can be arranged in all areas of business. ORYZA oil and fat chemical factories are certified on international standards as ISO 22000 in the safety management systems. We are also GMP, Good Manufacturing Practices, certified in Japan for health and nutrition foods. And we also have ISO 22716 certification in the Guidance for Industry Cosmetic GMP, mandatory in Europe and recommended around the world. Proper quality control is in place when accepting raw materials, intermediate products, and shipping finished products, and the entire manufacturing process is monitored in strict accordance with GMP standards. The safety and security of our products and factories is our company's major theme. Our products are also halal certified. With an Islamic market that accounts for a quarter of the world's population, our new endeavor for halal product research and development has received high valuation in recent years. In addition to pursuing scientific truths, by refining our international sense and deepening our understanding of different cultures, we develop products for the diverse cultures and customs of the world market. We use the latest technology of the 21st century to make products by starting with the primitive concepts of eating, applying, and returning to the earth. At the core of our vision are the 3 H's: health, happiness, and hope. By focusing on the bioavailability present in the natural world, we will attain health, happiness, and hopes of people around the globe and continue to work for human health. To that end, each of us strives for new technology, improved skills, and information collection using a global network connecting the specialized agencies around the world. With reliable, evidence-based data on the safety and effectiveness of our products, customers can rest assured. Drawing out the hidden powers of the world's plant-derived components with the integration of nature and chemistry for a bright and healthy future. That is our goal at ORYZA Oil and Fat Chemical.